My name is Dale Posey. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. My name is Dale Posey. I'm the hearing officer for this morning's blight hearing. This hearing is being held to consider the following items. Citation numbers 21407-459, citation 21407-428, citation 214-06212, all of which are appeals by property owners disputing the designation of blight existing on their properties. This hearing is being recorded, and the sign-in sheet is on the table up front. Please be sure to sign in for our records, and so if necessary, we can contact you in the future regarding the hearing item that is of interest to you. This hearing will proceed as follows. I'll read the citation, and those who intend to speak will be sworn in by the clerk. The Department of Public Works will have 3 minutes to present its case. The appellant or property owner will have up to 3 minutes to present their testimony. Then I'll take public comments. After public comments, the department will have up to 1 minute to present its rebuttal, and then the appellant will have up to 1 minute to present their rebuttal as well. As I call you up, please clearly state your name into the microphone before presenting your testimony. All right. The first item is citation number 214-07459, Sheila Bishop. Please come up.
Yeah.
Hold on a minute.
Yeah, good morning.
We'll swear you in.
Oh. Yeah, is your cousin gonna speak too,
Yeah.
or? Yeah, whoever intends to speak will just swear you.
Thank you.
Ladies in. Good morning.
Good morning.
Please state your names for the record.
Enos Harris, Public Information Officer for Public Works.
Sheila Bishop Griffin.
Jamie Bishop.
Thank you. Please raise your right hands. Do you solemnly swear that the testimonies you're about to give today is the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Thank you. You ladies can have a seat. She'll go ahead first.
Thank you. Ms. Harris, go
Yeah.
ahead
You
and
can have
Yeah,
a
I'll
seat
go
if you want.
first.
Yeah, she'll go first.
we'll call you right back here in a minute.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
I am reading this hearing on behalf of PIO Sevilla Man. On Wednesday, August 14th, 2019, Sevilla Man responded to a complaint about the continuous output and storage of refuse at 1467 McKinnon Avenue and bin storage on the sidewalk. She found a pile of household items, including clothing, boxes, and other miscellaneous items on the property abutting the structure. Previously, on December 28, 2015, a notice of violation was issued for violating PWC 170A. And on September 16, 2014, and November 25, 2015, a warning notice was sent for violating PWC 170A. On June 9, 2019, she issued a citation for violating codes MHC 280 and 283 and MPC code 63A. She issued a notice of violation to the occupant, informing them of the need to maintain their property in an acceptable manner and for the bins being out on a non-collection day and refuse contained improperly. Since items present during her previous inspection remained, and because additional debris was added, she issued a citation to the property owner for violating MHC 581, MHC 283, and Public Works Code 170A. And so I do have some photos that were taken on August 15th when she was there. There they are. Okay. So that's the condition of the property. Oh, I'm sorry, August 14th. I'm sorry, August 14th.
It looks like also August 13th on the second photo. Is that correct?
To pick it up, I'm sorry.
Yeah, the same way I had.
Yeah, so I'm looking at the 14th. It appears to be the same photo. No, that's the time. 13:58:21 is
right.
what you see.
Thank you.
But they're both taken on the same day, just a minute apart. That's a close-up of the first one. So that was what was there on the 14th. And then I do have photos from, let me see what was issued, the citation, the previous citation. No, we're not here to discuss that, but that's all I have for the 14th.
All right. The appellant can come forward and plead your case. Please state your name.
Hi, Sheila Bishop Griffin. On that day, my cousin, he's handicapped, disabled, and he put a lot of stuff. He didn't really know what he was doing. He set all that stuff out there. And then we also have some neighbors that stay across the street from there that have been putting garbage in front because they know he's handicapped. And I have pictures of some of the stuff. And one time they even put a washing machine, but I had the garbage company come and pick it up. Yeah, these are, and it even had their name and address on there. We called them to come get it, but they still never came and got it. And I have some, medical records for him because his brother passed away, and her dad in June, so he's there by himself. I have some paperwork, like from his doctor. Older one. And this one, let's see, I have one in here, this envelope. He put a lot of covers, and I was thinking, you know, you need those covers. This is one, this is my original one though, but that is one of.
So in this photo with the what is it, a vacuum cleaner or
The vacuum cleaner, that wasn't ours, the boxes, the neighbors,
somebody put it there?
yeah, they put
Okay.
that there in the one big box Target, and it has their address and their phone number. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And this was the big box, but I just ended up keeping the big box.
Yeah, because this one's inside.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So we're not going to show that one because that
Yeah.
one's inside.
yeah,
And this
I
one's
mean-
inside too.
yeah.
Okay, so these are the boxes.
And this is an address that's on the same street?
Yeah, on the same street.
It's across-
So she called
okay.
them several times to come get it, but they never did come get it.
So you do realize that by having a pile out there in front of your place, it actually draws these kind of things. So that's why we're having a hearing, because it's an
Yeah, we
attraction
told them.
to your neighbors to bring stuff
Yeah.
to
Yeah,
the
we
pile.
told them.
Unfortunately, that's a problem. I do understand what you're saying, that the stuff was put out in error. I'm sure that, have you had a conversation with?
Yeah, we had a conversation with him, so he understands now, you know, not to put nothing out there. Yeah.
You can see that the fine for this is
I know, he's on
stout.
SSI. Yeah.
What are you asking for here?
Either dismiss or have him pay some type of payments, because he can't pay the whole thing. He's on SSI, and he's staying there by himself, so he has to pay all the bills there, and I help him pay all the bills. I'm his payee.
Okay, so you don't live at this address?
No,
All right,
I have guardianship over him.
all right.
I have the paperwork also.
Enos, do you have anything else?
Just for there are three codes on there. So one of the we're discussing right now is the dumping that's on your property. The other issue is the bin. So with your guardianship, you have to make arrangements to bring it out at the proper time and take it back in.
Oh, because he brings it out.
Yeah, it can only be out 24 hours.
Oh, okay.
So it can't live out there on the street. I see the other ones are gone, but he left one out.
Yeah, he only puts one out.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah, only
so,
one.
as the guardianship, you should probably, if you can't make it, ask a neighbor or someone to go and help him out with that.
Okay.
And what was the other, oh, yeah, and then it's 581, 283, so, yeah, all this stuff needs to be contained.
Yeah, because I told him I had him put them all in bags and all that,
Right,
and junked it.
yeah, just
Yeah.
moving forward, because I know this is the second citation that was issued as well.
Yeah, we only received one. I had another relative that was there, and she may have taken it and didn't say anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there
We
was
having
one
problems
issued
with
in
that
July.
person. Yeah.
Yeah, and it looked pretty bad, so you.
Yeah, we having problems
Yeah.
with that
Okay.
person that put that there.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
So we trying to get all that stuff situated.
Okay.
Got to
Best
go
of
to
luck.
court and everything. Yeah.
So I'm not going to dismiss this,
Uh-huh.
but I will reduce it.
Okay.
I'll make my hearing, or my judgment, and you'll receive a notice in writing
Okay.
what that is.
All right.
Unless you have anything else, I think that's,
No, that's about it.
thank you for coming in,
All right. Thank you.
okay?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye.
Oh, wait, all those on.
Oh, I'm sorry. Pick out yours.
You picked up my stuff too. Okay, there you go.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Right, we've, for the next citation, I'll just, citation 214-07428, Chris Gonzalez at 601 Bush Street, has not showed up for the hearing. Enos, do you have the DPW
I
presentation?
do. You have the report. So I'm reading this one on behalf of Peachy Matthews. On Tuesday, August 13th, 2019, she was on a scheduled inspection walk of the Union Square District with the BID, when the BID took her to this location. Upon arrival, she saw bins and cardboard boxes out on Burritt Alley. This location is familiar to her, and she has issued numerous notices for the same code violations. Because the violations continued, she issued a citation for PWC 170A and MHC 283. And I do have some photos. There we go.
All right.
Oh. There. And that's all I have.
Is this a business?
This is, it looks to be a restaurant, Tunnel Top. I don't know, I'm not familiar with the area, but it appears to be some type of restaurant.
Okay. All right, is that all?
That's all. That's all she has.
All right, I'm going to uphold this at, as a fines to 100 for the violation of garbage receptacles on sidewalk citation, or Section 178 Municipal Public Works Code, and also the improper containerization and binding of refuse.
Okay.
Right, I'll uphold the fines of 200. All right, the next citation is for citation 214-06212, Chun Lee at 72 University Street.
Yes.
Chun Lee is not here today. Do you have anything regarding this?
I do. That was actually, I issued this one. On Tuesday, August 6, 2019, at approximately 9:33 a.m., while performing a scheduled inspection, I found refuse receptacles out in front of 72 University Street, abutting the property. I then confirmed with Recology Refuse Collection Services 32 gallons, trash, recycle, and compost bins, all serviced on Wednesday. Therefore, the receptacles should only be set out for collection after 6 Tuesday and must be brought in and stored out of view from the public right-of-way by 6 p.m. Wednesday. Previously, on July 1st, 2019, I sent a warning letter concerning improper refuse receptacle put out and storage to Chin Lee after responding to a service request and finding the receptacles out on a non-collection day. Thereafter, on July 18th, I spoke with Whitney, a representative of this property, and explained the enforcement process. She stated she is going to sort through her items and needs 10 days to comply. Based on the prior warnings and because receptacles were once again out during non-collection hours, I issued a citation for violating PWC 170A.
All right.
And that concludes that.
Sir, what's your name? All right, we're just having your hearing right now. You're quite late.
I was in the front door and they don't let me in because I have a scooter and a backpack there.
All right. Have you signed in?
Yes.
Okay, why don't you come up and,
Can we read again, or?
no,
Okay.
I don't think you need to.
Okay.
Come on up and state your name. We'll swear you in.
Morning, sir.
My name is Chen Li.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you're about to give today is the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Thank you. Go ahead, sir.
All right, do you have your,
Yes. So I got a citation for like putting the garbage bin in a visible area. Oh, can you hear me? Sorry.
yes.
Yeah. So I got a citation for putting the garbage bin on like a visible area during the non-pickup hours, and the reason was that we were doing a remodeling at our house. My mom was helping me doing it, and then we were trying to, once we get that first warning, we were trying to clean up the space to put the garbage bin back to our backyard. But the problem is that she got into undergone like a surgery, an unexpected surgery during the time period. So she called the public work and asked for like a little more extension time so we can clean up and push the garbage back and everything back to our backyard to clean up the front. And then during the period of time, I think we got the citation at that period. We know that we have to push it back, and we already cleaned everything up. So I hope that I can get like a.
Did you talk to anyone there? Do you have a name of the person you talked to?
I believe it was Whitney. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yes, on July 18th, I spoke with Whitney.
Okay. So, and you explained to them that you needed a little more time?
Yes,
and
because my mom was undergone like an.
What did they say?
They said she can have a little more time to clean it up. They already.
Okay. Do you have anything, Enos?
No, yeah, I did speak. I spoke with Whitney on July 18th. She said that she was sorting through items and needed 10 days to comply. And I returned on August 6th.
So that's a little more than 10 days.
Yeah, because the surgery.
Oh, she had surgery.
Yeah,
And
because
so
the recovery.
I wasn't privy to that.
Right,
Yeah,
okay.
and then even before she was ready, we already cleaned up everything. So yeah.
And this area is cleaned up now?
Yes, definitely.
Do you have anything else?
No.
All right, well, thank you, sir. I'll make my judgment, and you'll receive a notice in writing of what that it will be.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right?
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
You store them correctly, right? They're
Yes.
not in plain view anymore?
Yes,
Okay,
thank you.
thank you.
All right, this concludes our hearings for today. Thank you.